Hi, I'm Dustin Green, head grill master at the Weber Grill Academy, and this is the Weber Griddle.
The Weber Griddle is here to deliver edge-to-edge heat and tons of flavor. After a simple pre-seasoning process, the Weber Griddle will be your new favorite for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Simply turn the Snapjet ignition on each burner to deliver fast and even heat. Weber has designed a special burner system and cookbox so that your cooking surface is ready to go. The 3-burner griddle delivers 36,000 BTUs from edge to edge to quickly recover as well. So when you flip, you're quickly creating those flavors that only a griddle can deliver. After you're done cooking for all your friends and family, cleanup is a breeze. Simply direct your leftover debris towards the high-capacity grease management system. And the large drip pan in the high-capacity grease tray is the same as our Summit gas grills, which means less emptying and more cooking. When you're done, just clean, re-season, and cover your griddle so it's ready for your next culinary adventure. And with a 5-year limited warranty, Weber's legendary customer service has your back. The Weber Griddle. Discover what's possible. The Weber Griddle is also available in 36 inches.